Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to set up Twitch alerts on OBS 2024. So let's go to the Twitch OBS first. Then you have to click on this plus icon in the sources option. Click on the plus icon and you'll find here browser. Click on browser and click on OK. Now you can see the URL here. You have to remove this URL and you have to put here the Twitch alerts URL. Okay, after putting the Twitch alert URL, you can change the width and you can change the height, and after that, if it's all okay, you have to click on OK. Then your Twitch alert on OBS will be turned on. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.